Hello guys, thanks for joining us here at Earning with Bits. Today let's take a look at BTC Ad Space, a quick and simple faucet that's easy to use. Get started by logging in with your Faucet Pay email. Once you're logged in, your main balance is on the top left of your home page, and your dashboard is at the top. You can earn by surfing ads, doing short links, or completing the offer wall. Let's get started by clicking Faucet on your dashboard. Now select Claim and solve the CAPTCHA. This faucet has no timer. You can claim unlimited times. I'm gonna make a few claims. You should too. Fantastic. When you're done, you can go back to your dashboard and choose Surf Ads. Here you can visit websites to earn more money. Select one of the links and visit the web page until the timer runs out. Now solve the CAPTCHA and your balance should be updated. Fantastic. When you're ready to cash out, go back to your home page and select Withdrawal. It's under your main balance. Put in the amount you want to withdraw and select Submit. When you're done withdrawing, go back to Faucet Pay to make sure you have been paid. As you can see, the coins instantly arrived in my wallet. Thank you for joining us here at Earning with Bits. Please like and subscribe.